RMDS Lab is proud to present a new workshop, Turning Business Problems into Data Science Problems. Professionals, business owners, and executives will benefit from this course. Learn how to recognize the roles of various stakeholders in a real-world data science working scenario. Address your business challenges with effective data science solutions. Understand the whole process of how to turn business problems into data science problems. RMDS has pioneered a 4-step RM4E approach to assess your unique business problem and address it strategically with data science processes. Each workshop is customized for you, your team, and your specific needs. We've helped many organizations turn business problems into data science problems and achieve data-driven solutions. Request access to this workshop by scanning the QR code below or visiting us at grmds.org.